Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as protein. Yesterday we finished here the one topic called as a carbohydrate. It is the same topic of a unit what biomolecules. Today we discuss here the second subtopic of these biomolecules called as what here proteins. So first of all, it is protein. So the protein is a one types of what the biomolecules which are prepared by hydrolysis of a amino acid called as the proteins. So the first of all, the protein, it means the word protein come from the word protos. The word protein come from the word what? Protos. Protos means the what here? The first or what here? The primary. First or what is called what here? The primary. It means our body first prepared what here? The protein. So protein, the word protein come from the word protos, means first or primary. It means our all body are prepared first what? By with the help of proteins. So the protein is also called what here? The building block of our body. Clear beta? So you know the protein is very essential for our living organism. Clear beta? Some protein are essential, some are non-essential. We also discuss in this unit. Okay? So protein, the word protein come from the word protos. Protos means first or primary. It means our body prepared first what here? The protein. And second topic is there. The protein is a building block of our body. Clear? The one protein part break it from the what? 33 amino acid. Different or same amino acids. अगर हम किसी भी एक प्रोटीन के पार्ट को ब्रेक करते हैं बेटा, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? वी गेट 33 टाइप्स ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड, मे बी एसिडिक अमाइनो एसिड, बेसिक अमाइनो एसिड और न्यूट्रल अमाइनो एसिड, डिपेंड अपॉन द सब्सटेंस. क्लियर है? सो प्रोटीन व्हाट हियर? द प्रोटीन इज अ बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ आवर बॉडी. द प्रोटीन आर, फॉर एग्जांपल, द प्रोटीन आर प्रेजेंट व्हाट हियर इन द मीट, इन फिश, इन पल्सेस एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द सब्सटेंस विच कंटेन अ प्रोटीन्स. क्लियर है? Now second topic here, what is the amino acid? So the amino acid is defined as the hydrolysis of protein, it form the amino acid. It means the hydrolysis product of the what here? The protein called as the amino acid. Define पिक्चर क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? Definition of the hydrolysis product of the protein called as the amino acid. What here? So it is called what here beta? Amino acid. So we take example here. What? When we hydrolysis the what here? The protein. So protein, clear? So protein on hydrolysis, what here beta? It form the what? Alpha amino acid. Clear beta? तो इसे डिफाइन क्या लिखेंगे आप? The hydrolysis product of the protein called as what here? The alpha, what here? The amino acid or alpha amino acid. Why the word alpha indicate here? It means this is called as the alpha carbon. It means, for example, we take glycine here. So the glycine, which is the formula H, attached to what here beta? NH2. Here what? COOH. Clear beta? So we take there C, here H. So it is called as what here beta? Functional group. It also functional group. So it is carbon called alpha carbon. That's why we take the alpha here. So alpha indicate what here? The alpha carbon attached to amino group called alpha amino acid. It is called as amino group. What is indicate what here is called as the amino group beta, and this called as the acid. This CO group of what here beta? Acid. So that's why the amino acid is a product of the what? Hydrolysis of the protein, it form the alpha amino acid. Why indicate alpha? Alpha indicate the what? The carbon which is directly attached to what here? The functional group. That's why it's called what? Alpha. And the amino acid contain two types of a compound. One is amine group, second is called acid. That's why it's called what here? Amino acid. Clear beta? Now types of amino acid. So the amino acid have three types. First called what here beta? Acidic amino acid. Second is called as what here? The basic amino acid. and third is called what here? Neutral amino acid. Now we take the one by one here. ठीक है, first acidic amino acid, basic and neutral amino acid, three types of amino acid here. ठीक है बेटा. Now we take the here, what is acidic amino acid? So the amino acid which contain the higher number of acid group as compared to the amine group. Here is acid COH group here. What? Amino. That's what here. That is called as the acidic amino acid. For example, it is an example of acidic amino acid here. It is an example. ठीक है बेटा, ये example बेटा से अभी. It's also the example here. EG indicate what here बेटा? Example here. ठीक है. So the glutamic acid, it contain a 2 COH group here. This COH here also contain what here बेटा? This group also have the what group here? The COOH. तो इसी को हमने लिखेंगे बेटा एग्जाम्पल में यहाँ पर. व्हाट इंडिकेट एग्जाम्पल यहाँ? COOH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 here attached to what here? The COOH. Clear बेटा? So the amino acid which contain the higher number of acid here, what here? It contain the higher number of acid. That's why it is called what here beta? The acidic amino acid. The amino acid which contain the higher number of what here? The carboxylic group or acid here, acidic group. It is called what here? Acidic amino acid. Second here, what is basic amino acid? So it is defined as the amino acid which contain the higher number of amine group as compared to the what here? The carboxylic group or acid group. So it is called what here? The basic amino acid. For example, this lysine histidine is an example of what here? Basic amino acid. Example here, it contain the what here? Higher number of NH2 means amine group as compared to what here? The acid or carboxylic group like the COH. So we take example here, the basic example here what? अगर basic example लेंगे बेटा क्या example देखो यहाँ पर NH2 single bond CH attached to what here? NH2, here the COH group. It contain the what? Higher number of amine group called NH2 group as compared to what here? Acid or carboxylic group. Here this COH called acid or carboxylic group. That's what is example of what? Basic amino acid. Third here, what? The neutral amino acid. So the neutral amino acid is defined as what? Those amino acid which contain a equal number of acid group means COH group as well as the amine group, that is what here? H2 group, called as a neutral amino acid. Example here, the base example of this what here? Neutral amino acid what here? Glycine, what? Alanine, valine, tyrosine. This both fourth is an example of what here? Neutral amino acid. For example here, with example here the what? The H single bond NH2, single bond H, single bond COH2. It contain a one amine group similar to equal to one carboxylic group. That's what here? The neutral amino acid. Clear beta? Glycine is the example of the neutral amino acid. Where is the what here? The what? Glutamic acid is example of what here? Acidic amino acid. Whereas the what? The lysine is the example of what? Basic amino acid. So समझ आया बेटा आपको? What is amino acid? Is defined as when hydrolysis of the protein or hydrolysis product of the protein called as what here? Amino acid. HY indicate hydrolysis here. Types of amino acid, three types of amino acid we take here: acidic, basic, neutral. So depend upon the group. If the higher number of the what? When hydrolysis of the what? Amino acid form the what? Higher number of the what here? The acid group called as what? Acidic amino acid. It contains the higher number of the amine group as compared to what here? The acid group called as the basic amino acid. Where neutral means what here? It contains equal number of acid and what? Base means NH2 and CH group is equal is called what here? The neutral amino acid. Now we take some example here. The types name R and 3 letter ये आपको सिंपल याद रखने हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखो बेटा यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल अमाइनो एसिड जो हमने डिफाइन देखा, ठीक है, उसकी नेम देखा पहले ग्लाइसिन, एलेनिन, वैलिन और टायरोसिन. ग्लाइसिन विच हैव द सिंबल R इंडिकेट व्हाट? R मींस अ साइड चेन. इंडिकेट यार R मींस व्हाट यार बेटा? फॉर एग्जांपल देखो यहाँ पे अगर यहाँ पर बात करें तो ग्लाइसिन की तो ये H क्या हो गया बेटा? साइड चेन हो गया. ये भी साइड चेन है बेटा, इस साइड चेन. सो दिस इंडिकेट व्हाट हियर? दिस इंडिकेट R. ये सब क्या है बेटा? फिर ये दिस ऑल इंडिकेट व्हाट ग्रुप हियर? R ग्रुप हियर. ठीक है. हेयर ग्लाइसिन कंटेंट H हियर. ठीक है. which are 3 letter what here? Glycine means we take first 3 letter here GLY, this GLY, and first 1 letter is called as G. First letter means G. Second, alanine, it contains the side chain CH3, the 3 letter what? ALA, alanine, and 1 letter first called A. ठीक है. Valine, valine is contain the what? Structure Me2. Me indicate what here? The symbol of the what? Methyl group. बेटा ये Me2 याद रखना है बेटा आपको. Me2 indicate what here? The CH3/2 group को बोलते बेटा Me2. हाँ, मीन्स मिथिल, डाइमिथिल बोलते हैं इसको हम. ठीक है, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं उसको H. फर्स्ट 3 लेटर वाट here? VL, here AL. ठीक है, लास्ट फर्स्ट लेटर वाट? V. Tyrosine, it contain one phenyl group, one phenol group OH, and tyrosine is first 3 letter TYR and first letter what? TL. Second, basics, lysine structure R chain, lysine what is L. Stadine is a side chain R, 3 letter first HIS and the first letter what here? H. Similarly what here? The acidic amino acid glutamic acid for R chain, this indicate first 3 letter GLU and first letter what? G. Last, the aspartic acid, it contains the R groups what? COH, CH2, single bond, and first letter ASP, and the last letter what here? The first letter is called what here? D or A. याद रखना है, D भी आ सकता है और A भी आ सकता है. So all is example of what here? The symbol, name, and the R types of the what? Amino acid. So we take the protein. Protein is a first come from the word protos, means first or primary. It means the our body prepare first what here? The protein. Protein is the building block of our body. The different types of protein are prepared. Okay, so the main source of protein what here? The pulses, what? Meat, then fish, and all different types of the what here? The product here. Okay, and then next here what? Amino acid. The hydrolysis of the protein, it form the amino acid. Types of amino acid: acidic, basic, neutral, depend upon the group and its example. ठीक है, so it's all about what? The proteins. इसके बाद तो क्वेश्चन रहेगा बेटा आपको हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. सो एसेंशियल प्रोटीन और नॉन एसेंशियल प्रोटीन हम लोग इसके बाद लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.